Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change text style in messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. The first step is to open gmail.com on your browser. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the gear icon at the top bar and give it a click. From the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings to open up the settings page. Here, you will find various options to customize your Gmail experience. Scroll down to the General section and look for the default text style option. This is where you can make changes to the font style, size, color, and more for your emails. Make the adjustments you want to the text style to suit your preferences. You can choose from a variety of fonts, sizes, and colors to make your email stand out. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button to apply the new text style settings to your Gmail account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the text style in messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Now you can send beautifully formatted emails that reflect your personality. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.